Hey YouTubers, in this video we're going to be taking a look at my mini fire kit, what's in it, how you can make it yourselves, and we're also going to be taking a look at a few alternatives, and I'm going to show you that here in just a second, but we're going to take a look at all of it. All right, YouTubers, this is my mini fire kit. What we've got here is a Maxpedition Cocoon. We've also got an Exotac Tinder zip here. On the inside, we have a couple tinders in here and a Magnesium capsule. They are a TinderQuik, which are the white ones here, the little bow tie kind of looking. We've also got the Procamptek fire plugs, and this is fire assist for the capsules there. And there's a bunch of these in here. And these all should make some good fire without a problem. And since we've got all those in there, you can use them with this 1/2 inch by 6 inch ferro rod. You've also got some duct tape wrapped around here. This is Foot ParaTinder, and we've got a striker down here. You could also use a good solid knife with a 90-degree spine. This is a Garberg stainless. On the inside, we have a Procamptek fire rope stick and a Procamptek waxwood stick. Now, these and the cordage on here have alternatives. You could use a Blackbeard fire starter. You could use a Combat Wild fire stick, and for your cordage, which this is ParaTinder here, instead of this, you could use Parapocalypse because this has the wax jute in it. You could also use SurvivorCord or SurvivorCord XT in place of that as well. Now, this kit was easy to make and relatively cheap to assemble. The little Maxpedition Cocoon wasn't that expensive. Everything else was reasonably priced, and you guys could make this yourselves without any hard time just assembling it. It's really simple. If you have any comments or questions, please put them down below. I will answer them, and I'm also curious if you guys are wanting to build one of these yourselves. This is a lot of fun. It's something smaller than my big fire kit, which I've also made some alterations to, and I'll make another video on that coming soon. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Don't work hard.